Here's how to see archived chats in WhatsApp on Android. Let's get started. If you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. So you can open up the WhatsApp chats, of course, and you're going to see them right here. And the point is that you can easily just hold it down on the message like that on the thread, and you have some options on what you're going to do with this chat. And you can tap on the three dots and then definitely click on the archive chat. Right, and it's going to be like put away. It's not going to be visible right away, but you can see that there is a section at the top of the list which says archived. So you can get inside, and this is the place where you can put it. So again, these chats stay archived when new messages are received. So you can tap on it to change. And essentially, in order to bring it back, you can as well hold it down on the chat, tap the three dots, and you can basically bring it back, right? And it's going to be like a normal chat from now on. So you can definitely bring it back if you would want to. So yeah, that's how you can find it. Keep in mind that hiding the chat is not just archiving, because you have the ability to also just like lock the chat in WhatsApp. That's like a separate feature. But you can see that we can even tap on the settings and at the top. So when you tap on the thing where it says to tap there to change the settings, you will have the ability to enable one toggle, which basically decides if the chat is going to stay in the archive folder, or if you receive some more messages, then it can be moved back to the original place inside of the messages, threads, and part of the conversation. So that's how you can distinguish between this, and I hope I was able to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the next tutorials and videos like this.